Hey guys, my jerk wings is winging. Yes, watch me.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm in Jamaica doing some Jamaican style jerk wings. Yes, you know I can't leave Jamaica out. That's my born land. Proud to be a Jamaican offspring. So your girl seasoned some wings, and you all know how to season wings, but on this I added a little browning. Sazon, garlic powder, oregano, black pepper, a little hint of salt, some all-purpose seasoning, oregano, smoked paprika. Feel free to add whatever you want because that's your business. It's my business. What I use whatever you want to use. Seasoned my chicken from overnight. The chicken them chickening. Yes, the chicken them look like they're ready for my oven to jerk. Welcome guys to another video, and in this series I'll be in Jamaica doing a Jamaican dish. Can't leave my country out. I hope by now you've seen my video that I posted last week doing some shepherd's pie. I was in the UK. Your girl is now traveling to other countries, yes, to prep at least 1 or 2 meals depending on how comfortable I get. Subscribe, like, follow, share. I'm also on Facebook and TikTok, not only YouTube. So your girl get her tray, added some foil because I don't want no hard work to do, and then I added my wings. This was a vlogging day for me because I've been slacking up with my videos. So today I did 2 videos because I had no videos to post a few Sundays ago. So your girl felt like working, and some of the marinade from off the wings I sprinkled on my wings, and that is also from the jerk sauce. Cover, put in the oven and allow to bake for a while. And this is the second tray. I was doing just some regular wings just to get some videos out there. Added my other tray, covered, lit oven to 350 degrees, and within 30 minutes I just turned them over. You see how much juice is in that? The little seasoning drizzle that I put on it. Lots of water coming from these chicken. And please make sure you watch the video to the end to see the taste test, and also I'll give you an idea regarding the water from the chicken. Turn your chicken over, cover again with foil, add back to the oven. Here I'm about to make some sauce. Melted some butter, added a little additional jerk marinade in it or jerk sauce, and some honey. You could add sugar to help to get a little of the spicy taste out if you choose. I wanted to use honey. And no, it's not honey jerk. It's jerk wings because I just use a little hint or a little pinch of the honey. This is all the chicken water that I threw off. Strain this if you want to, and you can use this to make chicken broth. Another thing you can use this to do is if you're cooking your rice and peas or your white rice. Listen, this chicken juice tastes delicious in your rice and peas or your white rice, whatever rice you're cooking. Add some of this water in it, or you can freeze it, leave it in the refrigerator to use as chicken broth because it's seasoned juice. So that's one thing I'll let you know. If you knew it before, then that's okay. But once it has that much water, I don't want my chicken wings swimming in no water because the chicken wings are almost done. So I just utilize the liquid or the juice, as you would call it, from all the chicken wings. And listen, it tasted really good. So add this to your rice and peas or add this to your white rice. Don't throw it out. Chicken is now ready to add the sauce. The chicken is chickening. Yes. Jamaica, I am there today making some Jamaican style wings. Yeah, man. I just brushed a little of this on, and then I'll be covering up and adding back into my oven. Jamaican style jerk wings, quick and easy. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. When you season your chicken, you feel free to add some of the jerk marinade or the jerk sauce on the chicken. That's how I season mine. And remember, especially the Jamaican jerk sauce, it already has salt in it. When I make my homemade one, I do not add salt in it. So be careful not to use too much salt because you don't want salty chicken. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok. What are you waiting on? So these were some quick and easy jerk wings because I decided to take a trip to Jamaica. I hope that you guys are enjoying my content and this new idea that came up that I needed to start traveling to other countries to make, if it's even one or two of their dishes. I need to get out of my regular comfort zone, come with something new. So here I am in Jamaica today. I don't know where I'll be going next week, but stay tuned for my video. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support. It is appreciated. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, watch to the end, and see your girl eat piece of the chicken wing. Yeah man, bless up yourself and thank you for the support.
Hey guys, my jerk wings is winging. Yes, watch me. My jerk wing, Jamaican style jerk wing is winging. You two need to try some oven style jerk chicken because it was winging. Tasted really, really good.